Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you the clipping hair extension, the inside. Actually people were asking what is the arrangement of our clipping, and we have the default setup of the clipping. I will show you. We can also do different setup, and I will show you what it is by default. This is a 22 inches clipping hair extension of 100 gram. So by default it's 100 grams per bundle and made of this type of setup, which according to the clips there are 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. So this type of 4 and 3 clips, which is longer, you can put on the back of your head, and this small part which you can put where you want your hair look more voluminous. And so we can make in different type of setup or different weight, like you want 200 grams bundle or 150 grams clipping. You can tell us, we will do that. And so this is what it is by default, which is on our website. So if you have any requirement of the clipping, or you want to customize a different type of clipping, you can tell us and we can do that for you. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day.